Hey everyone, I am on my way to Virginia, leaving Florida right now, and oh my gosh, I just left about 10 minutes ago and I think I'm going to stop at the rest area already because the air conditioning in my car is so strong that I am freezing. Of course, it's only 77 degrees outside. So I'm going to stop up here at this rest stop and I am going to put on something warmer, and then when we're back, I will be back and we will discuss what I'm doing today. I've got a long trip ahead of me. Look at this. 6 hours. Okay, rest stop's coming up. Talk to you in a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna get in the back and get my sweatshirt. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Alright, so like I said, I just left, so I've only been on the road about 8 miles, and I already stopped at my first rest stop. Okay, that's it. But I feel better because it is so cold in here. Okay. Take a drink of my bay. And I will be stopping again because I will have to pee soon because I'm drinking a lot. And I am hungry. I'm so hungry. All right, guys, let's flip this around so you can see.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down, climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. You say that you're sorry.
Okay, so I made it to the Pilot J in Latta, South Carolina, and I didn't feel safe, and I didn't feel safe. There was not really a good parking place. I don't know, it just wasn't right. So I drove a couple more hours north, and right now I'm at Love's, and I feel pretty good here. I'm backed into a spot, like big roads behind us, and nobody can get behind me. And you can see my windows are all boarded up here. See the front, that light that you can see is actually that light right there. That is the gas station for the truckers. There are some cars next. Oh, that guy just pulled out next to me. So I think I'm gonna be all right. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little nap, and I may wake up and head on north a couple hours. It's only about 8 o'clock, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I might take a nap, maybe sleep 2 or 3 hours, and then if I do, then I'll head north. Or last time I slept in my car, I went to bed like at 10 o'clock and I didn't wake up till 9 the next day. so that's pretty darn good to be sleeping in the car. But you're tired, you're tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a nap, and I'll talk to you guys later.
That we could have been, but I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. My
in North Carolina. I slept pretty good last night. Went to bed about 9:30. Woke up at 4, looked out my window. Of course, I had the shades on my window, reflective, and I looked out, and there were still cars there. There was a van there. There was lots of people there sleeping, doing exactly what I was doing. So I went back to sleep, and I woke up at 7:30. Oh my God, who does that? I can't believe I slept that much. So I feel pretty good. Went into the rest area there and went to the restroom, looked around, and all kinds of cool stuff to buy, but I didn't buy anything. It was very crowded. It was like, I would say about 12 people in line at the register. People, there were some women in the bathroom brushing their teeth and stuff, because they're in there, I guess, with their husbands and stuff, because there was probably about 100 trucks parked there overnight, so people were sleeping. So it went well. So I just ate a banana, and I'm heading back up north. It looks like I have, to be exact, 3 hours and 58 minutes to go. So that's it. That's it. Just wanted to check in and let you know how great it went. I really still want to buy a van someday and trick it out and travel across the country. That was, one of my dreams that Tammy and I had together, that we were going to do when we were retired, when we were 65. But rest in peace, Tam. She was looking out for me last night. I had a really good night. So that's it. So I'm heading north, and I will check in a little bit. And I'm sorry about the eye contact, but I have to watch the road. Safety first. Safety first. So, okay. Bye, guys. See ya.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah. I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside. A different
In about 1 mile, take exit 130B on the right.
A broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone.
Okay, so all in all, it was a pretty great trip. I'll be spending a few weeks in Virginia. I'm going to be taking a ride over to Ocean City, Maryland, and visiting family. My brother and sister-in-law live there, as well as my second mom and dad. It should be a very relaxing 2 weeks in which I hope to watch some football, gain a few pounds, and visit some historical sites with my childhood bestie, Trisha. We've been friends since 1974. Thanks so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to try to post a new video every Thursday. It's hard for me because I just hate commitment. But thanks guys for watching. And please do not forget, try to be a good human.